guys, I'm Eric. This is Jax, my traveling cat. Welcome to my channel, Nomadic Fanatic. We live full time in this RV right here. It's a 2001 Chevy Tioga 24 foot. We have been living in it full time since he was born in 2010. And we've been on YouTube since 2013. I've also got the Honda Grom over there, a little 125cc motorcycle. Goes about 60 miles an hour. It goes on the back of the RV, up off the ground on the bumper. That's how I get around to some of the big cities and stuff. We like to urban camp. We like to boondock, which is what we're doing right now with no power at all, no neighbors at all. It's great. We also like national parks, and I'm a 1,000 Trails member, so we can go to some resorts in some states around the country as well. But basically my life is walking around with a camera in my face, sharing my and Jax's explorations with you all. And that's how I make money on YouTube. That's how I put gas in the tank. I edit video at night and then start the process over again the next day. So please subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so you can get updates from us from all our newest videos. We generally chase about 70 degrees somewhere around the country. I hope you enjoy following us, guys. Check out my videos and don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys.